Welcome to Beautyistic. Let's talk about a product that promises to deliver strong, hydrated skin and a noticeable improvement in firmness. Olay's Regenerist Niacinamide Face Moisturizer. If you're looking for something that could really amp up your daily skincare routine, stick around for a deep dive into whether this product lives up to the hype. Olay Regenerist Niacinamide Face Moisturizer is marketed as a powerful anti-aging and anti-wrinkle cream that promises visibly firmer skin. With 99% pure niacinamide, a known skin-soothing and barrier-repairing powerhouse, this product is designed to hydrate, smooth, and improve skin texture. It also boasts a silky smooth formula that absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue behind, so it's ideal for both morning and night use. In terms of application, the texture is rich yet lightweight, almost like a gel cream hybrid that glides effortlessly onto the skin. The fragrance is subtle, not overpowering, which makes it great for those sensitive to strong scents. I've been incorporating this into my routine for a couple of weeks now, applying it both in the morning and before bed, and I've noticed that it absorbs quickly, leaving my skin feeling nourished and hydrated without any heavy or greasy afterfeel. The formula is designed to improve skin hydration and strength, and based on my testing, I can attest that it delivers. It has a softening effect that immediately makes skin feel plumper and smoother. Over time, I've seen a subtle improvement in the texture of my skin, particularly around my jawline and neck. My skin feels firmer to the touch, and the barrier is definitely more resilient, which is great news for those concerned with environmental damage or dehydration. Now, let's get into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the texture is super comfortable to wear all day long, and the fact that it absorbs so quickly without leaving any residue means you don't have to worry about it interfering with makeup or sunscreen. The use of niacinamide, a dermatologist-loved ingredient, is a huge plus. Niacinamide helps support skin's natural renewal process, making it a great option for anyone with concerns about dullness, uneven skin tone, or early signs of aging. However, one downside could be the price, as it's a bit on the higher end for a drugstore moisturizer. Also, while the formula is hydrating, those with very dry skin might find they need to layer it with something a little heavier in extreme conditions, especially during colder months. When it comes to value for money, it's important to note that you're getting 2 ounces of product in the jar. It's a good size for a daily moisturizer and should last a couple of months, depending on how much you use. The product is also housed in a recyclable jar, which I love. It's great to see brands paying attention to eco-friendly packaging these days. Comparing this to other moisturizers at a similar price point, Olay holds its own. While there are other niacinamide-based moisturizers on the market, such as La Roche-Posay's Toleriane Double Repair, Olay's formula provides a more lightweight and non-greasy option, making it ideal for normal to oily skin types. When we talk about build quality, the packaging is simple yet effective. The jar is sturdy and the lid seals tightly, ensuring no product leakage. The glass packaging, although visually appealing, may not be ideal for travel, but it's easy to store on your vanity. As for longevity, I've been using it consistently for a few weeks now, and I can see the effects are progressive but steady. If you're looking for quick results, you might not get an immediate glow like you would with some more intense treatments. However, over time, I expect that this will continue to provide value. Olay is known for its customer service, and while I haven't personally reached out to them for this product, their reputation for handling inquiries is solid. They've consistently worked to improve their formulations and product offerings, so that's something to consider. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, you might want to explore CeraVe's PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion, which has similar barrier-strengthening benefits but at a lower price point. However, Olay's formula definitely offers that luxurious feel and the benefits of niacinamide that many users love for tackling the first signs of aging. To sum it up, Olay Regenerist Niacinamide Face Moisturizers is a strong contender for anyone looking to strengthen their skin barrier, hydrate, and firm up fine lines. If you're someone who values a light, non-greasy formula with niacinamide for daily use, it's definitely worth trying out. It's well suited for those with normal to combination skin, and I can see it becoming a staple in many skincare routines. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.